Walaikum salam, ma'am. Thank you. Yes.
So every hope so that everybody is preparing for the upcoming interviews, that after the lockdown of 6 to 8 months, companies are coming up with the new job opportunities. So everybody is looking for that, and for that you need to prepare yourself. Preparation required, practice, practice, practice. So today we have a mock interview. We'll conduct a mock interview. Okay. So how to succeed, how to get a successful interview. So already we have discussed everything, like what are the different questions you can come across in the interview, and what is the, before going for the interview, what are the preparations you have to do. Okay, to get succeed in interview, we need to do the practice first. Concentrate on the question that will be posed by the interviewer, that is a tell me about yourself. Means you are executing your resume in front of the interviewer. You have posed with the question about yourself. You have to present yourself, presentation of yourself, so that he can understand your skill set and how well versed you are in your personality and in your skill set. So for that you have to initial screening interview, that is a initial. So, and don't think that the interviewer is a monster, or here for you he is the very important person for you, and he may reject you. No, think that interviewer is your friend. You're talking with your friend. Okay, you are expressing your qualities, your qualification, your skill set in front of your friend. Okay, that friend will judge you how well versed you are, because according to the interviewer, that who is taking interview, he has some protocol. Okay, any organization or any organization, they have protocol, means set of rules. So you have to go through the set of rules, like you have to say about whatever you have already, you have shared your on written, what are the qualities, what are the achievements, what are the skill set you have. Based on that you have applied for the job. So you have already shared that, so that you are going to present it, whatever the document you have shared in terms of resume or CV. Okay, so you have to present it in front of your colleague, in front of your organization person, so that interviewer is representing the whole organization. So to recruit you, the best one, to recruit the best one that is suitable for the upliftment of the organization. So they are in the market. So every company, every organization is rushing up to achieve their goals, to survive in the industry. Okay, IT sector. So in IT, each and every, okay, in IT sector, they are recruiting professionals, those who have done professional degree, okay, professional qualification they have. So show your professionalism when you are conveying about your resume. Tell me about yourself means you are conveying the things what you have written in the resume. You should know better than others. Okay, so if you are got the opportunity to say about yourself, you have to concentrate on two factors. Give your best by like articulate means effective. Whatever you are saying, that should be articulate, effective, and second one is confident. How you will get confident? If you know about that, you'll get a confident. If you don't know about that, you won't be confident about that. So first of all, prepare yourself, prepare your mindset, then you will be confident what you are and what you are going to present it in front of the interviewer. Don't think and when you go for the interview, to the place where you are going there for the interview, don't think that that particular interviewer is important for you. each and every person in the organization, when you are entering in the organization, when you meet any person, so all of them in the organization equal and give respect to others also, not only to the interviewer, because he is going to conduct an interview. Okay, show your uh, personal development, like personality development skills for each and everyone. Okay, so show your etiquettes, show your etiquettes, your attitudes, pleasing attitude towards others. Not only from don't show the pleasing attitudes only those person from where you'll get some benefit. So equally show your attitudes, pleasing attitude towards others. So this is the major role of personality. So they will check for both things, personality and skill set. So let us start with the presentation, how to succeed in interview. Okay, today we'll talk about that. Then I will pose you four questions. You have to answer it, okay, one by one. Yes, how to have a successful interview. Okay, how you will succeed interview, how you will succeed towards the interview. Any one of you? Keep in mind that I said already, keep in mind that interviewer is not something monster like that. Feel that he is your friend, okay, and he is there for you. He will be showing you the hope to get success in your interview. So he will check for the right candidate to be placed in his organization. Okay, so what are your behavior towards the interviewer? Just share your views, how you have to keep in mind about the interviewer. Anybody, please?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, we have to have the gratitude, ma'am,
Okay.
and we should be a perfect listener. Like we have to listen, we have to greet them, and there are some. We have to make an eye-to-eye contact with them, and then if there is a panel of interviewers, we have to give one copy of our profile to them, and we have to patiently wait back until they start up something, like usually, and we have to our body language should show that we are confident enough to answer whatever questions are being posted. And especially we should not play with our watch or our pen, or usually we have to keep our mobile phone in a silent mode, so as to make sure we don't get any distraction during the interviews, during the questions that are being asked. These are some key things. And then we should our movement should be stiff, and we should give a firm handshake and then take the seat after we get a permission to get seated.
Yeah, and this is about the physical thing, and mentally what in your mind what it should be there.
Well, in the mind, ma'am, first of all, to whichever profile we are actually applying, we have to do the homework, as we have been discussing all these days. Like you have to do a proper research on company, their products, and
No,
you have to
about
you
the
have to
interviewer, I'm
yes,
talking
ma'am.
about the interviewer. How you have set your mind about the interviewer, what do you
Yes,
think?
ma'am.
Yes.
Like interviewer, we should think that interviewer is one who is actually helping us to get through the company. He's actually giving us the grade, just like in an examination hall there is a teacher. So
Yeah.
just like that, we have to treat the our interviewer as our friend, who is there to judge us and give us the positive result, so that we can enter the company. So with this positive mindset, we should
Yeah.
go in the interview, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Jazakallah. And some more
Yes, ma'am.
questions are there. related to this.
Yes, ma'am.
This and anyone, please come up. Everybody, please involve. How to?
Assalamu alaikum.
What do you think? Walaikum salam. Yes.
Can you repeat me question? I will reply.
Okay. Uh, uh, you went for an interview. Okay. So you have a. What do you think about the interviewer before entering into the?
Yeah.
How did you feel about the interviewer? Based on that, your feeling, your
Yeah.
mindset, you will give the interview. That is a natural thing. Okay.
Yeah. I'm Ross. So first thing, what we have to know is that for what interview you have come, and second thing, you have to be confident in giving interview, and you should know what is what the like before the what he will ask the question. You should know that, and the fourth thing is that you should reply the what he is asking concisely, and fifth thing is that if you don't know anything, you should say that you don't know, because they are expecting the person what like work you can do with them, and we have to be honest that what you know. So these are the some things I think we should know about interview, what we are going to tell them, like what we are. And finally one thing is that like previously brother told that they are like a mentors, and we should know that these people required us, like these people want us in their company, so they are expecting better only. So we should be like more like a friendly, and we should like in your mind you should be friendly, like not like you should be
Yeah.
more
Yeah.
casual
Right.
to them. Yeah, we have to be like very confident and say that these are the things we know. So they are like from HR department, and like so they need their company to grow up. So the thing is that for example I went to an interview. They asked me the technical things, and my spoken skills also. They took two rounds, and in the third round they asked me personal things. So in personal things he asked me, do you smoke? So I said that occasionally I smoke when I meet with friends. So it was the company, like it was chamber at home, so they may be expecting that the person who doesn't smoke. So we sometimes we should hide the things if we have some habits.
Yeah.
So maybe, yeah,
Yeah.
maybe because for the sake of job we can sacrifice that habit. At
Yeah.
workplace we can't smoke, like so we have to sacrifice things. So they expect the person what is suitable for them. Like, thank you. These are the
Oh,
things of what I can share.
okay. In IT company, for the smokers, they have a separate session, a separate area.
Is there,
Okay,
right?
there they can go there for that. So if suppose if any severity is there of the smoke chain of smokers like that, so they have that area. So, but it's
Yes,
a
yes.
professional means you should be professional. Okay. So, what are the
Yeah.
qualities a professional should have? So, you have to show your professionalism in both manners, your personality and your skill set. So, try to be
Yes, ma'am.
focused on these things. Professionalism you have to show in terms of your personality and your skill set, most important things. So, I'm talking about this like before going for an interview, you should know more about the interviewer. Okay, who is going to, you just contact the company first. Before going for the interview, you'll get a call from the company that so and so date you have interview. So get the information from that person, like whom, or they will provide the information on the website, who is going to conduct the interview, the concerned person name, and go through the his profile. so that you can understand better. Suppose that so and so person that he is from that department, you should have a more knowledge, go through that department, he may ask that, okay, based on this. So go through the interviewer profile also before going for the interview. You are giving your about yourself, so you should know who is conducting your interview. So try to get the information if you get a call who is going to conduct the interview.
Yeah,
Then
mostly they are also asking the jam questions.
yeah,
Like
just a
jam
minute.
questions also we ask.
Like, okay, we'll follow the
Yeah,
this one first. Interviewer, about the interviewer,
okay.
you should know, then how you are going to prepare for the interview. Okay, so already we have discussed. So one by one, you convey the things, share your how you are preparing for job interview. One by one, okay? 3-4 points. Anybody, please.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, like ma'am, with the different domains available these days. First of all, for example, like I have shortlisted information security. So basically, first of all, since I was from an academic background, so I'm first trying to modify my resume according to that. Like whatever, any certifications that I get, that I have to carry for taking an entry level. I'm actually exploring that things, and almost my CV is up. Like I'm continuously learning skills, so I'm updating it with the skills. And then the next thing is, ma'am, I'm actually trying to find out the opportunities post, like after this what like how to take an entry. So I got to know that first we have to enter via internships, basically in security domain. And there are some jobs as an analyst as well. So but usually they are asking for the people with at least 2 years and more experience. And then post that, ma'am, still since I'm in the preparation mode, so post that my plan is like I'll on various platforms that we have, job portal platforms, I'm going to update my profile. And also I'll be in touch with any technical persons on social media platforms, so that I can take them guidance. So in that way it's going on, ma'am.
Okay, good luck, mashallah. So your preparation is going on. The first initial stage is you have gone through the job description.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
selected, you have analyzed yourself, and you have seen the job descriptions.
Yes,
According
ma'am.
to that, you are preparing. Good,
Yes,
good
ma'am.
luck,
Yes, ma'am.
mashallah.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
next, please.
Yes, ma'am. According to me, ma'am, how I am searching means, like first, if I want a job in IT, then for system admin or network admin, I'm searching in Naukri and Monster.com.
Okay,
What are the they are asking topics? That topics I'm trying to mention in my CV. I'm preparing the topics. Then only I'm applying for that.
so you also have gone through the job descriptions available
Yes,
based on your skill set. Okay, you
yes,
have
yes,
analyzed yourself and you have specific about your skill set. Is it?
yes,
Yes, good.
yes, ma'am.
Good. Good. So you got the answer for yourself. Okay, isn't it, Mr. Riaz? Now you
Yes,
are
ma'am. Yes,
clear about your
clear.
job opportunities. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
good. All the best.
Because that will be a plus point, ma'am. If the
Yeah.
interviewer, if he apply no, first he will see the keywords, whether he knows these topics or not. Then only they will process further.
Yeah. Good. Next, please.
Yeah, ma'am. Preparing for the job interview means just understanding the job description, ma'am. We should
Job
be
description.
we should means understanding the job description, ma'am.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Carefully read the job description. Uh, Reading the job description means careful. We need to be clear in job description, ma'am. We should agree that we should be selected the particular what we need in job, ma'am.
Yeah.
If we are kept, yeah, if we are agree, means there will be a lot of jobs, so we need what we are capable, what we want to do. We should see that in job description, and we should know if we are lagging, know your own resume. If you are lagging in our resume, we should conclude and practice that one
Yeah.
in our resume. And part is practice answering some popular questions, like they will be answering some technicals and weird questions and crack questions, like cross questions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why should we hire you? You are not enough for this job.
Mm.
And if you have some more knowledge, why should we like that? We should be practice, man. We should know some respectful answers and polite answers.
Yeah.
We should be understand their job description and
Yeah.
understand the job products and value their offers.
Yes.
Mm,
Yes. Good. Good. Good going. MashaAllah.
mm.
Muhammad Amjad. Next.
Yeah. Uh, as you guys have told that, I agree with that. The job description is very important, because if you don't know for which kind of a job you are going, that is the waste of time over there spending. And here ma'am has told, made a point that know your own resume. I agree with that. If you don't know what you wrote in the resume, like if he ask what project you have done, if it, the, for example, intercom project is written on your resume, and he says you in how much time of duration you have completed, and what are the things you had required, like what are the technical things you, if you don't know that, if you don't remember that even you have done, it will give you the, it will give one interviewer the bad impression that he has wrote but he can't able to give the answer.
Yeah.
And the practical answering some popular questions used in the interviews, like you have to know that if anyone of your friend has done or cleared the technical interview questions. First we should know that they may ask also the jam questions. Jam questions in the sense they will ask randomly what is this and this. For example, if you like the yellow color, say about yellow color 1 minute. If you like the IPL match, IPL league, tell about it 2 minutes without stopping. They check our communication skill and grammar and all those things.
Grammar
So
and your
these are,
thinking, creativity,
yeah,
and
yeah,
thinking also. In
yeah,
what
of course,
you will think on the spot. Okay.
yeah,
Spontaneous
yeah,
response. Spontaneous response.
yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
recently I have done a interview in MNC. Some people have got 50 out of 45 marks and 40 above marks, because they have consulted the other people who have done already exam. So they got high marks because the same general knowledge questions were given to old paper was same like this. So it is good to see the people who have done the examination.
Yeah.
So there was general knowledge questions also in the exam, and English and technical, like it was BPO type. So technical questions was there. Already they gave 2 days training, and they took the examination of 50 marks theory. So some people scored more than 40 marks. So it was good. So I scored like 33 marks out of 50. So the thing is to say that if we have in touch with the other people who have cleared passed, so we can score well. So they also check our the uh, oral examination, like they will give marks based on that. So these are the things we should know and we should prepare for that.
That is a
Thank
written exam device used or a pen written
That was
written
written as well as oral, both
written
50
online,
50.
that is time limit is there or options are there.
Yeah, 1 hour. 1 hour was the time limit for the 50 marks question.
Okay. So written, there is a difference between a written and oral part. Okay. So written, you can take your
Yeah,
time, or spontaneously you have to respond. What are the questions? That is the oral is different. So they will check for that both
yeah,
written and oral. Yes,
Yeah,
good
of course.
points you have shared, Jazakallah. Very good points you have shared.
Exactly.
So you have applied for, before going for an interview, have you gone through the job description? Can you please share the job description? You have attended those interviews?
Yes, I have seen the job description that they said me that we will give the training as well. So they gave training me, and Alhamdulillah, I got selected. So that was about like tech support, US and UK slang process,
Okay.
like English communication.
Okay.
So this, like for example, they asked me when I went to interview what you call, how you say in British English or in general English,
Yeah.
water. So I can't able to give the answer. They said that in British English you say wuta and for water, and if it is comes to the American accent, they said that for water they say water. So it was like surprising for me. We
Yeah.
never heard water and wuta because I have to deal with those
Yes.
people like British and American accent people and all those things. So I can't get that. So many things they have asked, like we say sure and how you say sure.
Yeah.
So these are the things.
Yeah.
So when I went there, I got to know. So they gave me training. So it was like I got the training and did the exam as well.
Yeah, actually, in India, we follow British English. As Britishers, they ruled here in
Yes.
India. So we follow British English, and American English is different. Okay. So
Yeah.
pronunciation also
Yeah.
quite different for people, for paper, like this. Some stress, some hardness will be there in the pronunciation.
Yeah. The phonetic. Yeah.
Yes,
Phonetics is there.
phonetic.
Different.
Yes. So two types of English and pronunciations are different for British and American. So next and
Yes,
practice
ma'am.
answering some popular questions. So today we'll discuss on you have to answer few questions. Those are the popular questions that can be asked in the interview. Okay. So next is how you are going to be on the day of interview.
Ma'am, we should.
Like ma'am, I like to add one more point here that okay, thank you. Like according to me, ma'am, 99% is preparation. 1% is we will apply the jobs and preparing the resume, because I have seen many people, including me, like when we will apply for the job, we will get an interview 3-4 days back. We will be happy.
Yes.
We will not prepare. We will be happy. I got the interview from this company. We will think like that. And when the interview date will come, we will be upset because we have not prepared,
Yeah.
and we will not attend the interview.
Yeah.
Nervous.
This
We'll be-
yes, this happened many times with me and my friends also.
Yeah, so we don't want to do hard work. We want to do
Yes.
practice. We don't want to do without preparation. Even for going for Jannah also we need preparation. For everything human beings need preparation. If you want to go for to buy a single thing, you have to do the preparation for going out.
Yes, ma'am.
So for a simple thing also need preparation. So please, so inculcate in yourself for doing preparation for a single thing also. Tomorrow
Ma'am,
also,
it's
if
like
any function,
pre-interview
any program is
preparation.
there, prepare yourself before 2 or 3 days, not before one day.
Yes, ma'am. It's based on pre-interview preparation, ma'am.
Yeah. One day batting you want to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Interview day batting that you want to do. Only that day only, interview day, not before that. So what are
And
the,
yes, yes,
yes, please, Mr. Yes.
yeah. And we'll be having every Sunday's guest lecture. No, in
Yeah, yeah.
the last month, I did not remember his name. He said that regarding English, don't go with the US or British English. Whatever you know, speak
Yeah.
clearly and perfectly. Like that, he
Yeah.
said.
Yeah, we cannot imitate. Okay, we should have that. Okay, you should have. Yesterday also in this lecture, he said you should have passion of getting. Want to achieve
Yeah, ma'am.
anything, you should have passion. I want that only. I want that. I can do it. If you have that passion, you can do it. You can take out some time and you can work it. You should have that passion of doing that. If you have you have in your mind that I want to become an entrepreneur, like everyone is doing here this and that, they are taking out time from their personal life, they are taking out some time and they are working. Okay, give your contribute 2 hours to yourself, 2 to 3 hours. You may find a change in your life.
Yeah, ma'am. About
If you want a
interpreting,
change in your life, you have to work hard. Smart. Okay, go for smart work, not for hard work.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, he added like we will be looking like foolish, ma'am, if we talk in like US accent, because our mother tongue is Hindi, Urdu,
Yeah.
so we'll be perfect in that. If we again will try to talk in their mother tongue language, then it will be like difficulty. They will laugh. So better you go with your language, be perfect in that language. He said, whatever you are speaking.
Yeah. And always try to think in English. Whatever you want to convey, don't translate. First, you're thinking in Urdu and translating it takes time. That time you want convey in proper manner.
yeah, it makes mistakes, ma'am, in by translating
Yeah.
sometimes.
Yes.
Ma'am, previously I used to do that only, ma'am. First I'm thinking, mad, okay, for this we have to translate it like this, but mistakes will happen in that.
Yeah. In Urdu and English, translation is reverse translation. Urdu sentence reverse is English sentence. That is reverse. You cannot match that. So that is why practice. You will be in that practice only. You will do definitely in that manner only. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Coming to topic, ma'am. Pre-interview preparation means we will be understand the job description with, we should be in proper outfit, ma'am, by
Yeah.
in interview day. Before interview day, we should get prepared, ma'am. Before one day, proper outfit, prepare outfit, iron, wash, and while going, we should bath, ma'am, before, and keeping 2 copies of CV. Take it, ma'am. Sleep is important before a
Yeah.
interview, ma'am. We should
Mm.
take a good sleep, and we should make a route, ma'am. Proper route means we should be on time in interview. We
Yes.
should before 15 to 20 minutes we can discuss there for how is I mean about job they're doing
Mhm.
for some kind of information. After entering the cabin, we should be in passion and like we are uh, needed. We are passion to this job.
Mhm.
We should in
Yes. Yes.
stability and we should be stable. Stability matters sometimes, and we should
Mhm.
be so interested. We are
Yes.
interested in this job, like we should.
Yes. Good. Next, anybody? Interview day. We have practiced a lot about this. That is why today we are discussing. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Isn't it? Yes. Yes. How you should be on the day of interview. How you should behave in the waiting room.
We should behave normal as we have where we were waiting somewhere else. We should not do some the type of things that anyone make else uncomfortable.
And you should go through the
Like
company.
I heard, ma'am, once, like in waiting room there will be a cameras.
Yeah.
Whoever the interview person, uh, he will be watching. how is this person, how is he behaving. I heard, ma'am. I don't know whether it is true or not.
Yes, truly.
Yeah, it's true, ma'am.
Okay.
In some large companies, they watch us from interview cabins, ma'am.
How you are
Through
controlling your nervousness, they will check it
yeah,
out. You
ma'am.
will feel very nervous, no, before entering into the interview room. So
Yeah,
how
ma'am.
you will control your nervousness, and how, what are you thinking about the interview, and by your expression, we can recognize, no, we can identify.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Till door they will watch us, ma'am. How we are behaving in our cabin, how we are waiting.
Stay positive and be patient. If suppose 100 parties, 100 candidates were called, so how you will behave in that rush? They will check it out for that also.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next,
We should.
anybody? Interview day.
Yeah, ma'am. For there are a lot of people, man. We should be confident in us, ma'am. We are
Yes.
capable. If we are capable, then we will get it. If we not capable, if we didn't get, then we have a lot of opportunities in next coming days, ma'am. We should be in positive way, ma'am.
Yeah.
They will be good for us.
Yes. Anybody, please? How you should be on interview day?
Yes, ma'am. On an interview day, ma'am, what are the prerequisite? There is an interview checklist, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
According to that interview checklist, we have to prepare ourselves, ma'am. Like, for some experienced kind of jobs, or for even fresher jobs also, there is an interview checklist that we have actually discussed.
Yeah.
So according to that interview checklist, we have to prepare, ma'am. And like in the morning, we should get up and have some light food, and then try to reach the venue well in time. And then you have to have a gratitude for that day. And then when you are usually, ma'am, especially freshers, they show a lot of nervousness. During the interview, they are very nervous about that. And usually that happens in the examination halls. Even the examiner is calling inside, the time is up, the paper is already distributed, but still some students are there, they are preparing at that nick of the moment also. So especially we should preferably before starting from your home, all your preparation, everything has to end. And then you should go with a positive mindset, that whatever I have studied, I will try to reproduce. Like your mental strength is very much important, ma'am. On that day, you
Yeah.
have to be mentally very strong.
Yes.
And you should think that whatever I have prepared all these days, whatever homework I was doing all these days, it's my day to actually reproduce and it's my day actually. So especially, ma'am, our resume, like whatever points we have written in our resume, whatever roles and description, whatever skill set we have written in our resume, so at least we can give a glance, ma'am. If nothing we can do, so we can at least give a glance. And then inside our mind we can actually try to think, we can make a visualization, like, if we get such questions, we could ask. Or by looking at the job roles and description, even in our mind a lot of points will come, like we have prepared on this topic, this
Yeah.
things. And we are also going with technical as well as soft skills, both questions what are being asked. So I believe that, ma'am, if we go with this sort of preparation, and if we are effective and confident in whatever we are presenting at the day of the interview, and we are gratitude, and we are going with like interview ethics, it's an obvious fact that an individual will be get a positive response, ma'am.
Inshallah, mashallah. So if you have confident, you won't get, you got confident because you know better
Yes, ma'am.
about the resume. If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
know about the resume about yourself, you will get confident. Okay, then if you are not confident, then you'll get nervousness. What to tell, what he will ask. Nothing he will ask. New thing. Whatever you know, that only he will ask. You have to present yourself, who you are, and what are the skills you have, your personality, your skills, your qualification, you have to present it. Means everything is in you only. You have to present it. So no need of nervousness. In examination, you don't know what sort of questions it will come from 13 chapters. Okay. So here, whatever you already you have given a question paper, hard copy you have given. Okay. Based on that, you have to present it. Convey the things in the best way. Communicate the things in the best way. So that is most important. So if you think about that, I want to give my best today, whatever I have included in the resume. So you will get confidence, and you have to give a very effective communication, you have to convey very effectively. So you can crack through the interview. Next is technical round is based on your knowledge and how you will. It's not that everyone 10 questions are there, you know each and every 10 questions. It's not possible for any person. No one person is perfect, isn't it? So be confident that you can, from 10 questions you can go for 7 or 8 for maximum. If you are below 5, below 6 means possibility of rejecting. Okay, so prepare yourself to achieve that at least 9. If you are going for the achievement of 9 means you are prepared for 7 or 8 in between. Okay, so measure yourself. Smart, specific, measurable, attainable, and time bound. Okay, and relevant. Relevant, that I want to be relevant, whatever the specific you are, be about that only. Okay, during the interview, what you have to do? Be honest, be natural, be real, and meet the interviewer's eye contact only. Here we have 10 points. Take care of these 10 points during the interview. Okay, what are those 10 points? Let us discuss today. Okay, then we have 2-3 more questions. Yes, I am audible. Any one of you? Like,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Yes, be natural, be honest. Be honest means whatever you have presented in terms of resume, according to that.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry for interrupt.
Okay.
Ma'am, in emergency, I'm going outside, but I will be in online, sir. I will be keep listening this class,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Jazak.
Ma'am, some important thing I want to share.
Okay, sir.
Like before interview, like on the day of interview, we should dress politely. It's already mentioned in your slide. Another thing is that if we have not went to barber shop, day before that we have to go at the barber shop, because we will feel confident if we cut our hair properly, and if someone has to trim, they trim. And the thing is that we people get the location, but we don't research on the location. So when we are on the day of interview, we will go here and there on bike or on the or bus. We will search the location here and there. So it will create anxiety and nervousness
Yes.
and all, and we feel low. Like we will have less inferiority complex if we reach there over there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
as we have to see the proper location, or we have to ask the friend where it is exactly.
It's one
And
day before you just reach that place, check it out that place
yeah,
one day before. Okay, good points
yeah,
you have shared.
and yeah, and the thing is that when we go to interview room and all, we should have enough Xerox copy. So before that, we have to make time management that day before that, or on the right that day, we have to take the updated CV, not the old CV.
Yeah.
So it shows the good impression, because some people bring CV of 6 months back and 1 year ago, and it will give wrong impression on the interviewer that we have to make the updated CV, like we have to mention the signature and time on that.
Yeah, yeah,
Sorry, signature and date on that.
yeah.
So another thing is, we feel anyhow nervousness and like low and fatigue. So we should not feel shy to ask water or coffee is available in the like waiting room. We can go and ask them, and we can use that. So it shows like more confident in you,
Yeah.
and you can crack interview well. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Jazakallah, sir.
Well,
Things
why
you have
happened?
said about the interview. Yes.
And
During the
and
interview.
keeping the copies of all documents, man. It's good thing, man. If we can share easily, man, then only.
Documents of your
Yeah, man.
credentials,
Yeah,
academic.
copies of documents, man.
Okay.
Yeah, some interviews in the like if you crack the interview, they ask you the enter the your bank details. So you have to have the bank account as well, or like you should say that when I get offer letter, I will have the salary account and all those things. So you should be prepared for that, for your bank details also.
At least you should carry your Aadhaar card.
Yeah, ma'am, that's good.
That is important. Aadhaar
And
card or
yeah,
driving
you should have
license.
PAN card also,
Yes,
because
yes.
PAN card has become must to open the bank account. So you should prepare yourself with a PAN card also. You should not miss your PAN card, or if you have not made the PAN card, you should make the PAN card.
Okay, good. Good points. Next, one question will be posed during the interview. That is, tell me about yourself. Okay, one by one. Only in short, try to complete your this question in 1.5. Okay, 1 minute or most likely 2 minutes. Okay, so start please about yourself. Anybody, please.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Good evening. Thanks for giving me opportunity. My name is Riaz Ahmad. I have 4+ years of experience in digital process and computer operations. I am familiar with Microsoft Office and Excel. My role is planning and coordinating day-to-day activity. I have 2 years experience in Gulf as a sales coordinator. I have done my academic projects on employment supply system. My achievements are I work on a special projects and I have been complimented by my supervisors and management. My short-term goal is to increase my salary and my long-term goal is to get a job in IT sector. My strength uh, my strength is to I'm very much focused on creativity, and my weakness is to like I cannot say no to the people who ask help for me. And conclusion, I have the ability to develop and maintain the close relationship with the other employees. Thank you.
Good, good. Mashallah, I have seen a difference. Okay. So, mashallah,
Yes.
good job. Really, you are working. Mashallah, you are practicing. Good.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am. Because, ma'am, only we are left with the 5 weeks, ma'am. In these
Yeah.
5 weeks, I have to do revision and I have to be prepared for interview. After this, my CCNA course will complete, no? Further.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, mashallah, I have seen a lot of difference in your about yourself. Mashallah, good, good job. Next,
Thank
please.
you, ma'am.
Next, anybody, please.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. Please.
Yes. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Usman Ali. I am born and brought up in Hyderabad. I have done my master's in communication engineering in 2013. I have 9 years of experience, out of which I have 6 years of experience in academics. During the tenure, I got an opportunity to help a lot of students in achieving their academic prospectus. My skill set is actually I want to migrate to the information security industry. So I've been working on various tools and techniques that I use to make an entry level. And also I have undergone that certification of CompTIA security. So my short-term goal is to take an entry in a information security industry, and my long-term goal is to make a stable career in the industry where I can contribute to the success of the company. And my strength is I have a good public speaking skills, and I can have a good interaction with the people, and I'm a team player. And my weaknesses and my weakness is I'm very I cannot say no to the people, and I'm I make a very decisions very quickly. So at last, I'm very thankful for your patient hearing. Looking forward for a response from your side. Thank you.
Okay, good job. But today you are not confident, a little bit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please, better luck next time.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. I'll work on it, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you.
Next, please. Yes, next, please tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, actually, I have seen these two guys have done well. So in like before, you have asked me that already gave my introduction. So the same introduction I have. So I'm not thinking to give. So if I prepare for next time, I will give.
Okay, sir. Okay, Jazakallah. The next biggest weakness. Biggest weakness.
According to me, biggest weakness is, ma'am, like fear. We will fear, ma'am, to do anything, like whether we will be succeeded or not.
No,
That fear we have.
as a professional, how you will give the answer to this question, your biggest weakness? You have to work on this as a professional. Okay, so let us today will discuss how you will answer this as a professional, biggest weakness. Anybody, please?
First of all, we should know that we should check that what the biggest what is the weaknesses you have. So in that we have to sort out that we have to check that which weakness is like having more percentage in you. Some people has inferiority complex.
Yeah.
So they should know that how much level of inferiority complex they have. Or some people has that some weakness like they judge quickly to the people, or they respond very quickly without thinking. So they have to check that which is the in high level. Most of the time, what they do the mistake. So they have to make paragraph like in the like 1 year. What are the mistakes they have done? So in that, which mistakes they have done a lot. So this based on this criteria, we can say that which is our the biggest weakness.
Like we can add like this, ma'am. Public speaking has been a challenge for me. It was a biggest weakness. Like I was very nervous and heritage while giving any presentation.
According to the according to the weakness, you have to say in front of interviewer about your biggest weakness. So what sort of weakness you can give out, so that it will not, it will, your weaknesses, if you have this sort of weaknesses, it will reflect to the organization. So they will take care based on your weakness, they will select the candidate. So what sort of weaknesses you have to share with them, so you have to work on this, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Like we have to say our weakness, and I have overcome that weakness. We have to mention like that.
Already we have discussed about this on the weaknesses. What sort of weaknesses you have to share with that, and biggest weakness. Okay, you have list. We have the list of weaknesses. Can you list out anybody? So among that, you describe what is the your biggest weakness.
Like ma'am, last time we have discussed like
Yeah.
I cannot say no when someone asks for help. That is the one. And the second is that taking decision very quickly.
Yeah. Yeah, this is it, taking decision very quickly in the team as a team player.
Okay.
Okay, or for the team leader also. So before taking very quickly decision, you have to go through each, you have to analyze the things, then only you have to take the decision as a team leader, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this thing,
Like
take
how?
care.
Yes.
I have done this biggest, I have this biggest weakness. And how you are going to resolve that weakness, you have to share that. So he will understand that how you are understanding the weakness and how you are solving. You should be a problem solver. Okay, they will take care of how you will solve the problems. Yesterday in every employment skills, they will take care of the this one only, problem solving. In computers also, algorithms and programs are there based on the problem solving. Mathematical, this problem solving is related to mathematics and statistics. Okay, so biggest weakness you have this, and how you are going to solve that. So you have this ability of problem solving. So you are overcoming this weakness according to that. Okay, so please work on this. Tomorrow we'll discuss more on this biggest weakness. Okay.
Like I have one answer, ma'am. Here I have
Okay.
written one. Okay. Public speaking has been a challenge for me. I was very nervous while giving any presentation. So I started taking public speaking seminars to improve it.
Okay, good. Yes. So with the solution you have come up. Good job.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
You have this weakness, but you have resolved that. Good.
Yes, ma'am. How to overcome, we have to explain to him.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much for this. This was very helpful for me. The guy who explained me that about his biggest weakness, that he is taking part in that. So if you can please share me the list of weaknesses, I will
Yeah.
go through with that.
Yeah, you are
Okay.
welcome. I will definitely help you.
Okay, my number is in last like 9030832801 is last. 2801 is last.
Still, we have 5 weeks classes. No, in between, I will share. I have one link. From there, I have seen this answer. I will share definitely.
Okay,
Okay. I will also share in
okay,
the
thank
group
you.
whatever the previous classes I have taken. I will share the things in the group. Okay. You can find in the group about these questions. Okay. Answers. I will share in the group. Inshallah.
Okay.
Next, so you can go through the group. If anybody want to check it out for any question and answer, any you have to working for the, you are preparing for the interview also. Okay. And next question coming up is here, why are you leaving your job? This is what's your biggest weakness is repeated, and here is why are you leaving your job? So how you will answer to this question?
Like, ma'am, we can say that it is a career move. I
Yes.
have learned a lot from my previous job. I want to explore my skills to the new organization. I want to implement my skills.
Yeah. So you can go for, they will ask, you can move in that same organization for career growth as
Like
promotions.
whatever I have learned skills, I cannot implement in this project. I need to implement in other projects.
Okay. Yeah. Anybody please answer to this question. Why are you leaving your job? Current job, present job. Yes, anybody please? Only 2 more questions. Shall I move?
Yes, ma'am. Like, ma'am, why you have left your previous job? Like, ma'am, this question.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can answer in this way. I am very thankful to my previous organization, and I learned a lot from them. And from them, I got fascinated about a new field and domain,
Yeah.
like security, wherein I have been working like for almost past 6 months to upgrade my skills, and I believe that I am like skilled enough to take an entry level in the industry. So the domain now to which I want to switch, that division was not there in that company.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm making this career move. And besides that, I carry a very good like a relationship with my company. And even if you want, I can give you the references of my company, my manager, and my colleagues. I had a very good relationship with them, like the work relationship, and we were very like helpful and friendly, and we always like we had a very good knowledge base sharing and everything. So actually this career move is because I want to shift to a domain that was not available in my previous organization. That's the only reason I'm actually shifting. Like I'm actually shifting my domain to an to the field that was not available in my previous company.
Yes, good answer. Because first you should start with the gratitude towards your company, present company that you are living. That is most important. How you feel about the current job. You don't reflect that if upcoming job is there, I have to say bad things, or give a good attitude. Okay, good rewards, good things about the whatever the job you are doing. Okay, so and your achievements also you have to discuss. Like your job, your boss or your CEO has appreciated your work, like that you have. Just I have to whatever the domain, as Muhammad Usman Ali said, domain, that domain is not there in this present company. That is why I am looking for the other organization. So you should have this attitude. So first show your attitude, your attitude, gratitude towards the company. Okay, so you start with that, then say like this. So they will think that you have the positive attitude towards each and every person. So always be positive. Anybody, please? Or let us move towards other question. So by this question, where do you see yourself in 5 years, or your long-term goals? So how you will say that? Most of them, they will say, I after 5 years, I want to be in that company. So means you don't want to spend your time, your good time, your skills. You don't want to contribute to the whatever the company, whatever the organization they are recruiting you. You don't want to contribute your 5 years here. You are looking for the other opportunity, other in other organization. So these values you are showing by saying that, isn't it? Already we have discussed about where did you find yourself in 5 years. How you will answer to this question? Yes, I am audible.
Yes, ma'am. We can say that I want to see in see as a team leader position in your
Mhm.
company.
Mhm. Yes, then how you will start? Just answer in a proper way. Convey the thing. Communication. In last Sunday's guest lecture also, he said you have to convey the things. Communicate. Unless and until you won't communicate, the problems will not resolve. Okay, if you want to get the promotion also in same company, you have to conveying means you're marketing yourself about your skills, about your work. So how you will answer this question? Please, once you say no, you will come to the points also. You will get some points. If you get this question, you can able to answer this in very professional manner. Yes, please. Mr. Riaz Ahmed, continue.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I'm thinking for the sentences, ma'am.
Okay, okay, sir.
Just give me
Okay,
some time.
prepare.
Okay.
Yes, yes, you prepare.
Okay.
And just
Yeah,
prepare. Yes.
yes, ma'am. On this, where do you see yourself after 5 years, ma'am?
Okay.
Like, ma'am, shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. Please.
Like with your like company mission and culture, I've gone through your various social media platforms, and I have seen that a lot of people, I have seen a lot more success stories with your company, that the people have started as an associate, and then they are being promoted to the highest possible level up to their skill set. So I believe that with the skill set that I carry, and in 5 years, I would also be in a position wherein I will be contributing to the success of the company, and I'll also be projected in one of your contributors to the company. So I see myself as the most effective person in your company, who is actually contributing towards the development.
Okay, good job. Good answer. Very nice. In a positive way towards the company where you are
Yes, ma'am.
looking for the opportunity.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Mr. Gauss, you want to share your views regarding this question?
No, ma'am. I'm satisfied with the other guy who has shared the like. So I will share in the next time.
Yeah, yeah. So you have to prepare. You may also get this question. So for this question, you have to prepare yourself. Okay, be prepared for this question. Then what in last classes also we have discussed what to do after the interview. Okay, first you should have the attitude of gratitude. So how you will give a gratitude? By sending a thank email to the concerned person. This is the etiquettes. This is the era. This is the technological era, and this thing is we physically we are not saying email. Through technology we are thanking them through email. It might not make a huge difference, but it would professionalism. It shows a professionalism. Professionalism means etiquettes, manners. Okay, you should have the gratitude of attitude of gratitude. Okay, so by sending an email and thank the interviewer also, and take a feedback after a week. Okay, write them that you will follow up on your application in a week or two. They have on web, they have everything. You can take a feedback there, you can take a follow up, whatever you have done, whatever you have gone through 2 or 3 interviews. You so take a follow up and get the feedback, so that you cannot do the same mistake for the next interview. Then time after the interview can make the most confident person start questioning himself. It could take from a few days to even months to hear from them, even if you are the best candidate. In the meantime, try to find something to keep you occupied. If you haven't heard from them in a couple of weeks, it's all right to inquire about your status, letting them know you are still interested. You can also ask if there is anything else you can provide to help them decide. If you really would like to work for that particular organization, if you have interest, take a follow up after 2 months, 3 months, a week. So they feel that you are a better person, they will recruit you. Okay, through email, through contacts, you can touch with them. Okay, so after the interview, try to do these things. Yes, so do the practice, prepare yourself for the interviews. What else? Because we are here, we are gathering. If you have any, share the thing so that we come across the some points. Okay. For today, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. So inshallah tomorrow
Thank you,
we'll
ma'am.
have a same like interviews we'll conduct tomorrow
Yes,
also
ma'am.
mock interview. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am.
Okay,
Thanks a
ma'am.
lot.
Walaikum
Same
salam.
will repeat. Same will
Yeah.
repeat. Same thing. Same questions or we'll come up with the new questions.
Different, ma'am. Different question. New questions. We'll go with the new
Hmm.
question.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, Riaz, for having my number.
Yes, I will forward you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
Assalamu
ma'am.
alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh.